確認 OK。
What's up guys, recently I got this SONY Xperia XA phone for just like less than $10 at the thrift store called OLX. It's like an analog for eBay or Amazon or other stores, but for Poland, Ukraine and several other countries. About this phone is locked down and unusable nowadays because it has platform of Android 7 or 8, I don't know precisely, but I'm up for the challenge to unlock this and make usable again in 2023 without spending a fortune. Let's get it. So, before continuing, we need to create a complete HelloClean plan without interruptions, okay? Okay, I lied. No one's gonna do it step for step because it's just too hard to follow without knowing which kernel do we need to flash, for which version of Android, and so on and so forth. I know all the details perfectly because I tried a lot of stuff to flash, so here's your guide through this interesting adventure. I'm gonna simply leave it right here, guys. Little disclaimer, all the following contents are only for educational purposes. Got it? Good, let's move on. So basically, which result I'm happy to get? Firstly, the major thing is the actuality of our system. Gave a shot to Android 7, really cool that custom recovery works like a charm, but a lot of must-have things just vanished. Sweet. Android 8 is unstable, it has recoveries that can only do so much. Blah blah. We need the latest version, boys, to keep it actual for the best experience. So Oreo is our choice. Custom ROM is a mess for this device. TWRP recovery doesn't work properly. What's next? Root. Magisk to be precise. Through it I'll install needed models to hide open bootloader and root from services, install custom launcher and gestures, remove ads from all the wanted apps, and of course change boot animation. The second is the replacement of the back cover. The plastic thing from SIM tray and SD card isn't that important, so we just ignore that, and that's it for the beginning. So guys, we won't flash custom recovery, but Magisk Patched OS is requiring unlocked bootloader. Download the latest driver for your mobile device, please. And the importance for us to do is to obtain an email from our phone. To do this, as simple as it, go to your dialer, then paste right here star hash 06 hash. Okay, our email is on display. So for now, let's see if our device is even able to unlock the bootloader. For this, type in following secret code: star hash 7378 423 hash star. Then go into the service info, configuration, and then check if the routing status is yes. Then we can keep up doing next steps. Go to the link. It and other useful materials will be down in the description. Scroll all the way down, select our device. In my option it will be Xperia XA first. Then we need to paste right here our email that we copied recently. Then check these two boxes and press submit. Okay, our code is finally generated. Put it right here. Then we need to tap this little blue button. Okay. Turn off our device completely. Press the volume down key and hold it while connecting the phone to the PC using the USB-C cable. Right now our indicator is green. Mobile Fresher also approves that our phone is in. Tap the blue button and then press just simply unlock when you paste this unlock code right here. Okay, unlock is finished. You can now close all the windows, plug it off, turn it on, and that's it. Then afterwards, root with Magisk is the easiest in it because we have already ready and compiled binaries to Flash. We have the patched files and stock ROM that matching its version, so no need to worry about it. Exposed won't work anyway, exposed and elder brother add exposed are outdated. Magisk has enough models anyway, so our steps are beginning with Flash and stock continuous ROM, but then it's all good Oreo. Anyways, do it without hesitation through the same Flash tool. Click on this lighting icon, then select Flash mode, select our model and our kernel version. So I have found only one Turkish version of our operating system that matches 48.1a.2.120. So all the firmwares are stocked in this folder called firmwares, and as you can see it reads only FTF files. Okay, so I click on my version on my mobile phone, I click on my kernel version, check on applog, Genoa user data, and then click Flash. It compiles some time and we need to wait. So after we see this tiny window, we can see that our phone are turned on, and we need to make this screen black. So do as it says, press the lower key until we push the USB cable and wait until it connects. So it found an FSC script called 48.1 FSC, so we click on yes. Wait some time till it's flashing. And as you can see, few minutes for me and 1 second for you, and it's done. We can boot it up. So I'm pretty glad that all worked like a plan. And as you can see, our menu is now in Turkish language. But it's no way out of this. We need to set up firstly. So I've just kept all the setup steps, and as you can see, it's ready to work. And in settings we can choose options about the system, and it says that we has Android 8.0. It's good. Okay, so for now I removed the Turkish language, added in English, and made it is main completely readable. It's good. And so forth. I won't say it again, but we need to. Our mission is to flash patch kernel. So we have already shut down our mobile phone, and unlocked bootloader will now ask help to reach this mission. So I hope that you already downloaded ADB folder. It will help us to connect to the flash mode, and then push the boot img file into the smartphone. I have this little file called boot.img. Then I need to copy it into the ADB folder. Then I need to run cmd with the administrative privileges, write cd, then the path to the ADB folder. Okay, holding the up key and then pushing the cable into it. And as you can see, our light bulb is now blue, so it's good. Fast boot devices. Okay, and as you can see, we see the serial number and fast boot mode. Okay, fast boot flash, then the path boot, and the file boot.img. Okay, writing boot, and then we need to write fast boot reboot. Good. For now, disconnect this and wait until our phone is fully loaded. And nothing happened, like we see, just like we see. But now we have all the way in to the smartphone to install the latest Magisk and to activate it, of course. So what we need to do next? Our next steps are connecting this phone as MTP mode. We need to transfer files. Okay, it's good. Then push the Magisk application APK for Android version 26.1. It can be newer for you. Anyways, just throw it in the main place. Then go to the phone, find the file manager. Okay, and then navigate into your main memory. And as you can see, we have there Magisk version 26. Install. Good. Okay. Then we need to open it. Magisk will say us that it requires additional setup. We allowed him our files. Just select two these boxes, then click next. Direct install, because we have to patch our kernel, and then press let's go. All done. Then we need to reboot, maybe not one single time, but anyways. Check our Magisk, open it up, and it says again that it requires additional stuff, but we tap on these models are active for now. Also should be user page, logs page, and for test we can push, for example, root explorer into the memory and check if the Magisk is working for now. And I thought, why not to take an 64 gigs memory card. It's from Samsung, but you can use any other vendors. Take it right there. Okay, I just installed it right in the needed direction. So I can set up now card, but I just wiped this. And then I want to install root explorer. Okay, continue install. Open it up. Allow the files. Getting started. Grant option is available. Yes. So for now I can check fully the root directory, and it's very nice. It's very big abilities for us. And so to say, there are all kinds of ways to deploy your device. The easiest one is through ADB, maybe control apps, maybe through terminal. Firstly, I will show you how to delete apps for one user. using the terminal. You need to open the setting apps on your phone and scroll all the way down to the About Phone section. For me it's System, then About Phone, and here's the build number. I need to click it 7 times. Developer options, and I need to activate the USB debugging mode. Click on OK, then plug it to the PC. Of course you can connect with Wi-Fi, but I prefer easier method with cable. Type-C is for newer devices, and as one uses a micro Type-A. Plug your phone into a computer and change the USB settings from the charge-only mode to the file transfer MTP. Ensure that you have ADP installed on your computer. Go to the path through PowerShell or CMD. Windows plus R, CMD, and then I can run commands. For example, I can run a command adb shell cmd package list packages. Okay, for now I see a whole large bunch of packages that use an Android. For example, I have a stock mail app and I want to delete it, but I have no option to do this. Firstly, I need to go to the adb shell mode, score and grep, then find any word that somehow connected with mail app. Okay, I found the package that contains email. Print pm uninstall and flag K for user 0. It's mean for us, and the name of this package. I can copy it with Ctrl+C and then just right click. Okay. I need this one. Yeah. It just boom, magically disappears.
Look, I've got an idea.
Well, I deleted all the applications that prevented the normal operation of the device. So let's give a more cute and modern look to our system. Start with the custom launcher. At this point I prefer those minimalistic weekend spec. Changed on some more freshy wallpapers from other Xperia. Somehow I added gestures to it, so now it looks more like a futuristic phone in nowadays life.
John, I want a divorce.
Divorce.
It's not funny, John, and you know it's been coming for a long time.
Well, divorce.
Why do you always laugh when I'm upset?
Oh, every time you say divorce, you just look so cute.
I'm serious this time, John.
Serious.
I'm absolutely serious. And you're treating this like some kind of game. I'm tired of it, John.
We love games.
Not anymore. Not your kind of games. Your games are cruel.